Quick question. How much did you spend on subscriptions last month? I'll give you 3 seconds. If you don't have an answer for this, you're probably one of three people. One, probably super wealthy, understandable. Two, you just lack a proper financial management tool, understandable. Three, you are just one lazy. All in all, my name is Mike, for those who don't know me. Recently, we launched the Kenya National Carbon Registry, which is a project that I led. If you don't know what it is, just go to GPT or whatever tool you use, just type what is a National Carbon Registry. Something nice will pop up. But here's a highlight.
2 and 1. Executives, hold it, press it as you hold, press it as you hold, and the rest of us, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. Let's put our hands together, Makofi Tafadhali. Yes, and we have finally launched it. A warm round of applause, warm round of applause.
In case you missed it, that was super fun. As you can also tell, I got a new mic, so get ready for a million rants on the internet. Back to my story. You know how you promised yourself you're going to keep track of all your expenses in that beautiful Excel you worked on? How's that going for you? If you run a business or have had a chance to lead a project, this is something very familiar. You end up with a pool of receipts. So some are in hard copy, some are in your gallery, and some are shared to your WhatsApp. And when it actually comes to the point where you need to reconcile your books, you're not necessarily doing accounting, but it's more or less like an archaeology site where you need to bring together all these receipts. Some are faded, some are not, which is a big headache. And to add on top of that, KRA actually issued a notice that all invoices have to be etims compliant and traceable. So in the event you get audited, it means you need to have your books in order. There's something they say that the burden of proof lies with the taxpayer. So it means they expect you to do proper bookkeeping. Then there is your personal finances. Sometimes you have the questions, what exactly are you spending on? What categories are you spending in? And where exactly is your money going? Probably you're doing a lot of takeout, and sometimes you need visibility on that. So the question I asked myself is, every business person I know is actually on WhatsApp, because this is where vendors get to send the receipts. Clients also confirm payments here, especially for those who run online businesses, and also for those of us who lead projects. It's just easier to coordinate on WhatsApp, which begs the question, what if the tracker actually lived on WhatsApp too? And I believe a pretty solid solution for this is having an AI agent that lives on WhatsApp. So instead of manually entering all this data in my Notion or Excel tracker, all I need to do is just take a photo of that, send it to the AI agent on WhatsApp. From there, it automatically extracts the details from the receipts and categorizes it. So maybe if it's a food expense, and in the event I need to get insights on my expenses, it's as easy as just sending a voice note to the agent or typing it out. How much did I spend on food last week? This means all the receipts I had scattered everywhere, I can just forward them to the agent, and all that is sorted for me. All the manual data entry I had to do in the Excel sheets is easily sorted, because with the tools that we have nowadays, all this can be read through OCR basically in under 5 seconds. I have all the details on the receipt, and I no longer have to be blind to spending habits, so I can know if I'm overspending in certain categories in my expenses. So what's next? This is the first video in a series that I'm starting, and it means we'll get to design the architecture of this and also decide on a proper tech stack to build it on top of. So if you're a vibe coder, those who think they can code, you'll get to learn a lot in this series. And we get to build the logic of analyzing receipts, analyzing PDFs, sending weekly and monthly reports, among other things that are going to improve the user experience for this. And I'll finally get to ship it to you so that you can give me your feedback on what you like and what you don't like. So see you in the next episode.